Hey guys, what's up? Zen here. So today guys, we're going to cover the art generator real quick for the third web process that we're going to use. Basically, we're going to create the JPEG, the metadata very quickly so that way we can actually in our next video take that information and start building out our third web application, right? Once you connect your wallets, make sure you're on the Rinkeby network, okay, down here. So you connect into that. Maybe it will ask me to sign something, which I think it did. I see a 1 right there. It just must be glitched up somewhere. There we go. So I'll use this backup, connect, right? So when we go to deploy it, we want to have our metadata, right? We want to make sure we have those things. So before we get to that though, we have to generate the JPEGs, we have to generate the metadata. How do we do that? Well, what you're going to want to do is I'll leave a link in the description to download this repository. We're using the hashlib art generator. This is going to spin up our layers into an actual collection with actual metadata automatically. I'll cover in another video how to actually set this up and how to download it step by step. I've already installed the dependencies and either yarn or npm install so that way I can actually run this. But again, this is just very quick so I can demonstrate how you can use this art generator, create your JPEGs, create your metadata, and then take those files when it's time and plug it over on thirdweb. And again, we'll make another video to actually show you how to install this, how to set it up. Okay, so let's just take for an example. We have our layers here. We have a background, we have a eyeball, we have eye color, things like that, right? So if we were to look at our actual files for these things, which should be into here layers, see how we have just a regular black background, and then we have these 3 different shapes for the lid. We have different eyes. It's very basic, right? Different shapes here, shines, it's just 1, and then eye color, there's multiple different eye colors. So let's see how this works. So once you set up all these things, I won't cover this in the video, but what you want to do is once that's set, how many do you want to create? So we're going to change this down to 10 just for the demo. Make sure we are producing the Ethereum information. This is just some bullcrap that I have in here for now. And then this is actually a Solana wallet. So we actually want to use our actual dev wallet for this. So we take this and then we're going to plug it into here. So now we should be set, because what this is going to do, it's going to say, hey, this wallet is taking 100% of sales, okay? And then it also does the secondary, right? So what's your royalty percent? So 500 is actually 5%. 250 will be 2.5%. But obviously it ties to this wallet address as well, which is pretty cool. Overall, I'm really excited to showcase this stuff to you. So the first thing we want to do is we want to run our generator. So I have to find the command that I run for this. I don't remember it off my head. Hopefully it just kind of stands out. npm start npm start bounce. Here we go. So npm run generate, and what this is going to do when I hit this command, it's going to create 10 of these, and it's going to give me a folder with the JPEGs and the metadata right here. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, here we go. Creating the DNA, and boom, we're done. So now inside of build, we have images and we have our JSON file, which is our metadata. So if you look at all the images, they should be randomized. Okay. And obviously, if you had custom layers, then you'd very quickly be able to spin up 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, whatever you want to do very, very quickly. It'll run through the DNA process, and if it has any duplicates, it won't repeat that. You also have your JSON metadata information. So, for example, the eye color of the first one is yellow. So we go to the first one, yellow. Second one, I don't like that example. Let me find a different one right here. So number 5, which should be this one, eyeball white, green, and so forth. It also thought I had something else on here. But anyways, you can also change this as well. This must have pulled from the settings, but it's not a big deal. Okay, it's probably somewhere down right here. So obviously, what I could do is just say it's actually an Ethereum test, right? So let's go ahead and say ETH. And since I'm not a Solana dev king today, and nobody got time for that, we're going to do like that, okay? And obviously, you could set more settings and go a lot deeper. So for now, I'm just going to remove these assets and delete them. Delete the JSON, hopefully. Nice, okay. And then now I'm going to rerun this. Boom, created another 10. And so now I should have my information that actually, see, has ETH test, ETH dev king. So boom, now we have our files that we need to upload to thirdweb. So if you like this video, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the follow. If you learned something, in the next series, I will show you guys how to upload these files to the thirdweb application, and then what that means to actually use it. Right? I got to teach you how to install the art generator before you can even take that collection and upload it here, correct? So I'm going to show you kind of both. All right, bye guys.